Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is Multiplication Mania, and this is a fun game to enhance multiplication skills using 2 digits. Now, to do this, you will need only a few materials. You will need the worksheet from livinglifeandlearning.com. I will have the link to where you can go find that in the show notes below. You will need some scrap paper. You will need some pencils. You will need a coin or a marker. And you will need a pair of dice. Now, to proceed, this is how we will do it. First, you're going to download, print out, and there are a couple of different boards that you can select from. I've chosen this one. Now, to play the game, and this game can be played by 2 to 4 players, you can play it with all students, you can play it with students and an adult. You are going to assemble all of the materials that I mentioned. Then you are going to begin. You will roll the dice. The first player moves to that square and performs the example in that square. If the answer is correct, the player remains there. Now, for checking answers, you can have students check each other, or you can have an adult act as the referee. If the student multiplies incorrectly after rolling the dice, that student must move back to the previous space. So we keep continuing this game, moving forward with each correct answer. The first player who gets through all of the examples and gets to the finish line is declared the winner. Hope you've had fun with this multiplication game. Please hit subscribe to get teaching lessons in all different subjects every Friday. And for other educational resources that your family will certainly benefit from, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Till next time, bye.